Welcome to InfoSupport videos. This is Rohini and I am here to explain you about start and stop of ILM service. The agenda will be: what are the steps to stop the ILM service in Unix and Windows machine? What are the steps to start the ILM service in Unix and Windows machine? And the demonstration on starting and stopping of ILM service in Unix machine. Here are the steps to stop the ILM service in Unix machine. You can launch a putty session. Log in as an operating system user who started the data archive service. You can set the environmental variables Java home and Java path. For the bash shell, you have the following environmental variable: export set Java home. You can provide the path of the JDK Java. To set the path, you can run the following command. So once the Java home and path is set, you can navigate to the ILM home directory and run the stop implementation.sh script. Please wait for some time for the script to kill the archive services. To check if all the archive processes have been killed successfully, you can use this command ps-fu $user and grep the informia process. If the command returns any Java process, then you have to kill the Java process manually by using the command kill -9 process ID of the Java process. So this is all about stopping the ILM service in Unix. Now let us see about stopping the ILM service in Windows. It is quite similar to the stopping ILM service in Unix. You have to launch a command prompt, log in as a user who started the data archive service, set the Java home and path environmental variables. You can navigate to the ILM home directory and run the script start implementation.bat. If you start as a Windows service, you can go for Windows R and run the command service.msc. You can see the ILM data archive. If you want to stop the service, click on stop the service. To verify if the data archive services have been stopped successfully, you can go to the browser and try to access the web UI by using HTTP host and port. It will display the page cannot be displayed message if the services have been stopped. So this is all about stopping the service in Windows machine. Now let us see about starting the service in Unix. You have to go to the ILM home directory. First you have to clear the work directory. For removing the work directory, you can run the remove -rf work directory and you can start the services with a no-hub bash .start implementation.sh script. Once the start implementation.script is run, you have to wait for some minutes and you can try to access the page in the browser with the following URL: http ilm host and ilm port. So next is starting the ILM service in Windows. This is similar to starting in Unix. Go to ILM home directory, remove the work directory by using this command remove directory /s/q and work directory. Use the start implementation.bat script to start the implementation service. So if you need to start as a Windows service, run the prompt, launch the service.msc command. Once it is launched, you can select the ILM data archive and start the service option. So let me give a demo on how to start and stop the ILM service from Unix machine. So I have launched the putty session, setting the environmental variables Java home and Java path. We can now navigate to the ILM home directory. So if you run the ls command on the home directory, you can see the stop implementation.sh script. Run the script to stop the ILM services. Now it has stopped the ILM service. You can verify if the ILM services have been stopped using this command. So no Java process corresponding to the ILM services are running. So the ILM services have been stopped successfully. Now let us start the ILM service. To start the ILM service, you can use a start application.sh. I am starting it in a background process. So it is initializing the protocol handler. It will take some minutes to start the ILM service. Yeah, now it has started the ILM service. We can go to the browser and check if the ILM service has been started. Now if we try to log in again, it will ask for the username password. So the services has been started successfully. So this is all about stopping and starting the ILM service in Windows and Unix. So any kind of feedback, we would love to hear from you from the following sites. Thank you.